What? Reduces the appearance of wrinkles? Let's put this bad boy to the test. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you have ever been curious about a BB cream, or actually any product that contains snail mucus filtrate, you heard me right, I said the word snail, then stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a try-on / mini review, first impression of this product here. This is the Farm Stay Snail Repair BB Cream, which has SPF 50 PA+++. This multifunctional formula functions as a BB cream, provides UV protection, and is also a repairing cream. It is infused with snail extract and leaves skin brighter and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. What? If this can help this, then I think we may be on to something. Let's give it a try. So I'm going to go in on the right side of my face with the Sigma F80 Kabuki Flat Top. And then on the left side of my face, I'm going to be using not one, but two different sponges, because I'm also testing out a sponge I purchased from Amazon. And if you are interested in the sponge review, click here. So what's interesting about this product is, oh, okay, good, it comes sealed, so that's always nice. What's interesting is that I don't see any color shades, so I think it comes one color. So let's see how dark or light it is. Actually, for me, that looks like a good color match. If you are darker, which just about everyone in the world will be darker than me, maybe not so much. And if you're lighter, we shall see. Hey, Yodi. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, that's pretty light. It has a scent, but not a bad scent or a good scent. Just, I guess I was expecting it to smell like chemically, or I don't know, snaily. I don't know what that smells like. It's not bad. Just, alright, typically I don't use a brush to apply BB creams, either my hands or a sponge. Gives a nice glow. Let's go in with the sponge and see how the sponge does. Alright, so here are the sponge options. The orange is a new sponge from Amazon. The pink sponge is the one I use all of the time. It's from Shop Miss A. It's the AOA Studio sponge. This costs $1.88, and part of the proceeds help animals. I'm not sure if it's an animal shelter or what, but proceeds help animals. This was part of a 6-pack, and the 6-packs cost $9.99. Shop Miss A is a little softer, squishier than this one, but let's bounce away and see how this product does. Squirt a little more. Right off the bat, I prefer the Shop Massé sponge. It's way softer and bouncier. This isn't horrible, don't get me wrong, but if I had to choose, I'm picking this one every day of the week. Alright, now what do I think of the BB cream? As most BB creams are, it's very light coverage. I think it diminished the redness. My hyperpigmentation is still peeking through. I think for a light day, you're running late, you want your SPF on, and your complexion kind of evened out, this would be fantastic. If I have a big event or I really need everything more flawless, I'm not going to wear this. But so far so good. Hi everyone, Editing Julie here. I wanted to let you know that I have a change of opinion slightly on the BB cream. I do not feel it's strong enough for me personally to wear on its own. However, what I've been doing is wearing it as my SPF slash primer. I put it on with my fingers all over my face, let it absorb, and then I apply my foundation, and it's been working fantastic. Just a thought, if you find that it's too light of a coverage, as I do, I think for $6.95 it makes a good S50 SPF and also function as a primer. That's it. Back to regular programming. Let's see if this is buildable. So I'm going to squirt one more. I don't know that it looks too much different with the second layer. I can feel it more. It's a little tacky. It looks more glowy on camera than it does in person. Person has a nice shine, nice natural glow. Let me try turning down the my lights to see if you can see any better. All right, I officially have Snail Mucus Filtrate on my face. Doesn't feel any different than any other BB cream. Does still feel a little tacky. I'm gonna let it set for a couple minutes, finish up my makeup, come back and give my final thoughts. Alright, I am back. Full face of makeup on. I did have to set this BB cream with some powder before I applied my blush. Apologies on my eyeshadow. I went a little ham using an eyeshadow for the first time that had a bigger pigment payoff than I was anticipating, and I tried to correct it. This is what you get when you are not a makeup pro, but just enjoy applying makeup. So what are your thoughts? After looking at myself in the mirror, I don't know if going in for a second coat was the best idea. It does seem to be sitting on my skin a little bit. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. It doesn't look bad by any means, but if and when I wear this in the future, I think I'm going to try my fingertips and just apply one full layer and not go in for a second layer. Have you tried this specific BB cream, which is the Farm Stay Multifunction Formula All-in-One Whitening Anti-Wrinkle Cream? Love the picture of the snail. That way you do not forget what you have on your face. I think this is a nice BB cream. We shall see over time if there are any benefits to the snail mucus filtrate. I do have a slight little acne here, which I'll report back in the comments if I notice any, if it heals a lot quicker than expected. I did have to powder my face. It remained a little tacky, but first impressions, it's doing what I was expecting from a BB cream. Very light coverage, canceled out my redness. I shall have to see over time. Give me your thoughts down below if you've ever tried this product before. I'm curious, did you notice any results different than using any other BB cream? Alright, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch. See you next time.